You were the talk of the town when you went through that divorce, when you had that business to flop, when things in your life were so very bad, when you seemed to have lost it all. You were the talk of the town. Your enemy was so excited and so happy just to see your life fall apart. But obviously they don't understand what a spiritual awakening is. How God will allow things that you were so comfortable with before to fall away from you, so that the real person, your true identity, not only can it be just revealed to you, but to the world. I want you to know that you are entering a space and time where you're going to manifest so many great things. You are still happy and you're still smiling and you're still standing. And your enemy is so upset today because you keep getting better. See, I want you to understand that when people fix their mind on you, that's just giving you more energy to unfold and to produce in your environment. The same people that sit back and talk about you or make mockery of you, they are sick today because you keep getting better. You keep getting better because you keep getting stronger. You keep getting stronger because you keep on believing. You keep on believing because you have been connected, and you are connected to the Spirit of our Creator. It's something very, very, very spiritual that occurs when you can stick with God. I know so many times people always say if they can stick beside him, or I can stick beside her, but it's just something profound that's unmatched in this environment and in the spiritual category when you could just go ahead on and stick with God. I know the enemy thought that if he could put all this pressure on you, that you would just break and you would fall. I know that they thought if they just constantly kept on doubting you and talking you out of your dreams, that somehow, some way you would just throw in the towel and be mediocre like them. I know some people was making life a living hell in your environment, mainly because they saw the light of God that's beaming and radiating on the inside of you. I know that they see this it factor that you have, and it is the Spirit of the Holy Ghost that resides so heavy inside of you, and you are still standing. You found your connection. You are in a place in your life that you are manifesting great things. And even if you do not see it on today, I want you to know that it is still happening. And the reason why it is still happening is because you keep showing up. You keep showing up for yourself in spite of what may be going on in your life. You keep showing up for God, no matter how many failures that you experience, because you understand that your failure is only dress rehearsal for your success. I want to say that one more time, that failure, baby, was only dress rehearsal for your success, because we understand there's not even failures. They don't exist. It's only an opportunity to learn, to further evolve, to expand your consciousness and raise your level of spirituality. I learned so much every time I had something that didn't go right in my life. I got so much power every time I overcame a demon that tried to take me out. I stayed so connected because sometimes it's no one else there for us to connect to but God. And because you keep on showing up, because you keep smiling, because you keep believing, because you keep looking good in the midst of all the hell that you're going through today, folks are mad at you because you will not come down to a low level so they can feel comfortable with themselves. If people would take half of the time and focus on God and that relationship and nurture it, they will be amazed at how God will come in and just clean their heart up and clean their mind up so they can begin to really discover how it is to be in a loving relationship. See, people are jealous of you because you're in a loving relationship. They think that you're out here and you got a new man or you got a new woman and you just have a new a new profound way of living your life. Your eyes have been opened to the realization that it doesn't get any better than God. You're so excited about everything that God is showing you, and you are madly in love with the spirit of our Creator, and they think it's because you have a man or a woman in your life. It's so funny that people have been so conditioned to look on the outside for everything that they need, not understanding that everything is stored up on the inside. And because you have been able to uncover so many hidden treasures on the inside of your entire being, you are just richly blessed. You're richly blessed already. It's only a matter of time before it shows up in your life, because they couldn't stop you and God from blessing you. And until the next video, guys, peace, because I believe in you.